St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Department of Electrical Engineering, in association with the Institution of Engineers India, Local Center Nagpur, welcomes you all to the 3 days online short term training program on preparing smart videos with animations using PowerPoint. Hello everyone, I am Triveli and I'm back again with another video on editing videos with Openshot. Openshot is an open source software meant for editing your videos. You can trim, you can crop, you can add music to your videos, and so many other features are provided by Openshot. So let's get started with Openshot. Now let us download Openshot. You can click on this. This is an open source software. You can download it from www.openshot.org. Once we click on this, we have to click on download as we want to download. Now you have downloading option for so many things. I want to download with 64-bit installer. So let me download. It's according to your operating system. I'll keep the file. One more advantage of using these open source softwares is that they are not too bulky. Their MB consumption, their memory consumption is less, so you can download. Now it is already downloaded. Let us install this file. Double clicking on the file. Yes, I want to run the file. Run. Yes. Okay. I accept the agreement. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Yes. Next. Install. So now this file is installing. Now you see the installation is completed. You have to click on finish. Now Openshot is ready to be used. You can start using it. So this is the environment provided to you by Openshot software. Now let us understand this. Here you have so many options given to you. This is for addition of the new project. Okay. If you have already made one project, you can open your project via this icon. This is for saving your project. This is for eliminating the elements that you have added, for redo and undo. Okay, then adding of the project or importing the files. Okay, I'll just show it to you. Then this is for video resolution options. Like if I click on this, you can change the resolution or profile of the recording that you want in pixels. Okay, close. And this is finally for zooming in, zooming out of the screen. Okay, and this is for exporting the video, that is saving the video finally. Okay, now all that the project that you add or the files that you import are all reflected over here into this icon. Okay, now if you upload video, it will be reflected over here. If you upload an audio, it will be reflected over here. Similarly with images. So anything you add will be reflected over here. Now then you have these options available to you. File option. Here also the similar things are given to you as it is. This is the shortcut we can say, and this file option also has the similar kind of things. Now another most important thing is, if you want to come out of Openshot, you have to click on this quit button. Okay, you will not find any cross cursor over here, so don't keep finding over here. Okay, and then you will get confused. Why isn't it not coming? It doesn't come in the case of Openshot. You have to go to the file and you have to click on this quit option in order to come out of Openshot. Okay, so all these things have already been explained to you. Now this edit option. Now in edit option, you can undo or redo whatever you want to. You can clear the history. Then title. Okay, then you can go for title also. Like title, you are having so many options. You can have any of these options and you can use it. Now sometimes in certain PCs, if you use these titles, it could be an animated one. like this flames, it is an animated one. If I take this, let me save this. So this is an animated one. If this title doesn't come, then it could ask you to download certain softwares, okay? So it is in collaboration with those software that you could use that animated version of things, okay? So if you don't want to use it, you can go for a simple one. Okay, so that could be done. So you can use the easier one if not the animated one. Otherwise, it will tell you to download Blender. Especially, it tells you to download the Blender. Okay, so now this you could do. Now this view. Now you're having a view like this. This is known as the simple view. If you want to change the view, you can click on this. See, you find options: simple view, advanced view, freeze view, show all. So I'll click on advanced view. Now advanced view, the properties also appearing over here, and all the options are on the screen. It looks too much of data, it is too much crowded, so I generally prefer keeping it as simple view. Okay, in case if I require, I can access all those properties and all. Okay, you can also change the width of these things. Like, I want the screen to be much bigger than this instruction window, so I can simply reduce this. Here also you can similarly reduce the width of this if you want to see the tracks, and you can simply drag like this in order to zoom in the screen. So I'll keep it medium. Okay, and you can add so many tracks. Now whatever you add over here, you need to drag it over here. Okay, I'll show you with an example. Now you find so many tracks over here, you can keep adding these tracks. Okay, multiple tracks you can keep. Now if for example I don't want so many tracks, I can remove these tracks also. You have to click on this, remove the track, click on removing track, then click on this, you can remove the track, remove track. So this is how you remove the track. Okay, now if I don't want to remove the track, I want to add the track. You can click on this. Otherwise, you click on this, add track above or add track below or rename your track. You can do any of these things. Okay, using the commands. So this is for adding and subtraction of the track. Okay, let us learn from an example. We will add a file to this. Now let me select this video option. So I'll take one of the files I have, like I will take this file. I'll click on open. Okay, so your video will appear over here. I had clicked on audio, that was it was not visible to me. Now I've clicked on video. Now you see there is a video over here, but is it reflected over here? No. So for reflecting it over here into the preview screen, I have to drag this with the help of the mouse over here in some track. So let me keep it at track number 4. Doesn't matter which track you select. Okay, now you have kept it in track number 4. Let me play this. Now you can play this. This stands for timeline, wherein you want to play the track. Let me keep it over here. So track will begin from this particular instant of time. Let me keep it in the beginning. So let us start. So now I'm not happy with the music. I just want to change this music. Is it possible? Yes, of course it is possible. Now let me add a music to my video. Let me add a audio. So let us see. Go to the add project option. You will find the link wherever you have saved the music. You go to that place. I'll select this music. I'll just open. Now I've taken a music, so it will appear in audio. So this is the audio that I've selected. You have to click on this audio, then you have to drag and drop over here. So I want it to be simultaneously proceeding. Okay, I want this video and this music to go simultaneously, but this music is too long. If I save the video, then the video will get over, but the music is not getting over. So for that, I need to cut this music, right? Now how to trim video or audio? It's the same. Okay, so for that, where do you want to cut this music? You just have to bring this icon over here. Here is the place where I want to cut this music off. I don't want after this the music to play, so you have to select over here. So you have a different option over here. So this is the option of razor tool. So you have to click on this option, and then you have to bring this razor over here. This is a marker where you want to cut, and simply bring it over here and double click on this. Now you saw it has now split it into two, but it is not deleted actually. So now what you need to do, you have to unclick this icon. Now you have unclicked this icon. Okay, now this portion can be removed. First of all, see, you have to select like this. Okay, this red portion means it is selected. You have to right click on your mouse and you get so many options over here. You can copy, you can animate, rotate, layout, time, volume, so many things are there. Now I want to remove this clip. You simply click on remove the clip. Now that is removed. Okay, so this clip is now removed. Okay, so this is how you remove the clip. Okay, now once you have removed the clip, or you can use the delete icon on your keyboard also for removing the clip. Now you're done. Now the video and the audio is of the same duration, so I don't have any problem with this. But the major problem arises when I see the music. Now there is a music in this also and music in this also. I don't want the music of this to be played. So if you want to check, we can play it. Now, both the musics are merging, so that is why it is very difficult for me. It is creating a noise like situation to us. So, let me decrease the volume of this music. Okay, I don't want this music to be played, the original music to be played. Instead, I want the music over here to be played. So, I will right click on the mouse. Okay, left, then I'll go on properties. Okay, clicking on properties, I get the options. See, so many things are available over here. So here you find the volume option. You found, see, it is 1. Now let me make it 0. Okay, I have made this Akbar and Bil. See, the file that you have selected is reflected over here. I have not selected High Life MP3. I have selected the video one. Okay, so the volume of video will become 0. Let me press enter. Now the volume is 0. So the volume of this won't appear now. The volume of this should appear. So let's check. So you saw the music over here was different. If you would have paid attention, this music was different. Now this is altogether different. I have minimized the music as 0, the volume of this as 0, and I have kept this as high. So now what is happening? The video of this, the screen of this, and the audio of this is appearing to me. Now this is how you add. You can add one more video if you want, a similar pattern. So if you want to remove this, I don't want so many things to appear over here. Don't get confused with these icons. Okay, you can click on this and you can simply remove it by clicking on this close button. Okay, now it would go away. Okay, now for example, I want to add another video. Let me bring it over here. Let me merge the video. This is about adding music. Now let me merge a video over here. So what to do now? Again, you go to the addition page. I will click on the video and keep, and then I will click on this import file option. Okay, clicking on this, now I'll go back to the videos and I'll take this animation one. Okay, I'll take this animation open. Now this has to be dragged and dropped somewhere, so I'll have to drag and drop over here. So now this is merged. Now let us see how it works. See.
Are you?
So this is how you create it. Okay, now this is continuing. Okay, so if you don't want to use this music, you can again reduce the volume to 0, and you can simply increase the volume of this music, and you can copy paste it over here also. So this is how you prepare these videos. Okay, so these are the options, and this is meant for zooming in, zooming out. If you do this, you find the timeline reduces. Okay, so the entire time is shown on the page, and if I reduce this, I am able to see it more clearly. Okay, with fine tuning can be done. Okay, so this is how it is done. So this is the software, that is Openshot, for editing all your videos. You can add text in between. You can give transition to your slides. Like for example, now there has to be a transition from this part of the video to this part of the video. I want certain transition to be there. You can select any of this transition. You can also select the effects. You're having so many effects given to you. What will happen? It will simply reset the effects in the video. Okay, because my video is too simple, and it is not a recording of something like some event or something, so there's no point in giving this chrome effect, color shift, crop, and so many other effects you're having. So this is all about Openshot. Now I'm done with this video. Let me export this video. For exporting the video, you need to click on this icon. You get untitled project. So let me write it as Open Shot Demo. Okay, and then I can select and browse. This is going to be saved on desktop. So I will start exporting the video. So this exporting part is done. Click on done. Okay, if you want to check this file where it is saved, you can just quit this, come out of this. Now you find untitled project over here or Openshot demo. Just click on this. So now you found. So all these things were, then I had merged it with another video. So you saw, as per my editing, this Openshot demo is created. Okay, so let's go back. So this is how you prepare via Openshot. In this video, we have studied general setting of Openshot, editing videos with Openshot, exporting the recorded videos. Thank you. Happy learning!